Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making Asian Style Duck Pancakes. This recipe takes 1 hour to prep and 45 minutes to cook. Serves 6 to 8 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 whole mallards, 2 tablespoons 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup boiling water, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, ½ cup hoisin sauce, 1 cucumber, 6 green onions, and 1 bunch cilantro. Step 1. Duck preparation. Pat ducks dry and rub inside and out with 5-spice powder and salt. Let sit 30 minutes. Step 2. Pancake dough. Combine flour and salt, add boiling water gradually while stirring. Knead until smooth, rest 30 minutes. Step 3. Initial roasting. Brush ducks with soy sauce, honey, and sesame oil mixture. Roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Step 4. Temperature reduction. Lower to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue roasting 20 to 25 minutes until skin is crispy and internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. Pancake rolling. Divide dough into 16 pieces, roll each into thin circles. Step 6. Pancake cooking. Cook pancakes in dry skillet 1 to 2 minutes per side until spotted brown. Keep warm under damp towel. Step 7. Duck carving. Remove skin in large pieces and cut into strips. Carve meat into bite-sized pieces. And that's how you make Asian-style duck pancakes. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.